Restoration Concrete here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. It's a rather cool and rainy January day, but work never stops. So here we're going to prep and form for a concrete driveway as well as a parking pad. You'll notice this way that we're going to do about a 10-foot wide driveway. We're going to flare it out here at the curb, take the curb out, pour the concrete from here straight over to the driveway. And we have a few challenges. We've got to level this up right here. We'll take some dirt down. And then over to my right, you'll notice that there's a parking pad that has gravel on it. And so we're gonna take the gravel down about 4 inches, and then we'll be able to pour there and actually pour the concrete to the curb as well, square all of that up. And so hopefully we'll have almost kind of like a circular type drive. These folks have a large family, and so they need the extra parking space. We'll have access here from the road. We'll have access from this road. We'll have the parking pad. And so it'll be a fun job. So thanks for watching. All right, we have finished up for the day, wrapping things up with our concrete forming and preparation. You'll notice that we have plastic down here where the new driveway is going to go in, and also where the parking pad is. That's because it's going to rain overnight, and tomorrow we're going to pour it in 2 days. We want to make sure that we keep excessive water off so that it doesn't give us a soggy foundation and compromise the integrity of the concrete. So we also were able to take the excessive dirt that we had up here, and we were able to grade it down, and we completely graded this whole area, and we added ryegrass, perennial ryegrass, as well as annual ryegrass, because it is January, warm season grass is not going to grow. This is too sunny for fescue, so we're going to eventually overseed this or sod it with Bermuda. But the ryegrass will come up in about 7 days and help with erosion control. So it's been a good day. Preparation here, and we're ready for the concrete pour on Friday. Thanks for watching.